coming to school with me while I sat in my classroom. So this is what we were starting with. I started on the creation station, so I started by sticking up the different colour splats onto the cupboards, and then I added some vocab and colour mixing to the bottom half, but I'm going to make these A3. These are on my Tez. I filled up my pencil pots. These are just tin cans with colour paper wrapped round. I then moved over to my kind of wellbeing emotions check-in area. I just kind of refreshed all of my resources and then put up my how I am feeling today. This is also linked on my Tez. I then stuck on all of my days of the week butterflies. I've used these for years, but I just love them, they're so cute. So I put the kids' names on their pegs and their drawers, and then I started on the birthday display, which is going just above. I really need to learn how to measure because I actually did this about 3 times before I finally got it in the right order. Yeah, I also did this with my number line. I thought I'd be able to fit 0 to 30 straight down. No. But anyway, after my efforts, it does look very nice. I'm very happy with it. I started putting some of the wisteria on my reading area. This is still very much a work in process. I need some more wisteria and I need to back the board behind, but our backing paper hadn't arrived yet. This is part of my construction area. I put the lovely vines in my windows. These are very tall, so I was literally an acrobat. I labelled all my resources and started putting some bits on the wall, but ran out of white tack. I popped some of my lovely presents from my class on my desk. So this is where I'm kind of at. It looks like a classroom again, which is fabulous. We're still waiting on the carpet to come and the backing paper, so hopefully those will be able to go up very soon.